let's try to understand this to using an example. Just suppose you have a lot of vehicles, the trucks, the numbers are written, and they are loaded with iron rods, and load is in term of tons, right? So this is 30 tons, and this is 22 tons, and this is so these are so you have to choose among them those 5 trucks which target load is 150. 150 is the allowance that you can take the load, and the rest will have to wait. Right? So this is an example. So what we have done is that this is our range in which if we have just put 2 zeros, right? Right. And this is multiplied by the load. As soon as you select, or the system selects by putting a 1, it will multiply it. It means that shows that it is selected. And as soon as this is selected, the selected vehicle will become incremented with 1, right? And it is unselected, then there's all that, right? Simple formula of sum. This difference is watching that how much you are away from the target. When the difference is 0, it means your target is achieved, right? So this is the setup which you are going to do before going to the solver. Now let's go to the solver straight away. Here we mentioned our objective. Our objective is this. This has to be 0, value of 0, right? So it will keep on trying until this value in the U2 becomes 0. And what changes you are required to do is this: put 1 and C, right? So in this figure, so first constraint is you need to enter the constraints. So first constraint is that this has to be greater than 0, less than or equal to 1. So let's add. Another constraint is what? That this range is greater than or equal to 0. Add. The third constraint was, what is it? You got to have an integer, not a decimal factor. So we have to do that. This is the constraint. Okay. So let's add one more, that the vehicle we are allowed to take into the shipyard is only 5. It must be 5. So we select this. We say it's equal to 5. Equal to 5. Okay. So now we cancel it. This. So these are the constraints we have written. So this is left all these constraints, and all we need to do is press the solver. So this is going to. So the target is achieved. The 5 vehicles have been selected with the total load of 150 tons. So which are those which are marked with 1? So the conditional formatting is in place, and it highlights it like this.